The Merchant Navy Locomotive Preservation Society looks after this wonderful steam engine behind me, which is 35028 Clanline, which is a Merchant Navy class locomotive. So our relationship with BVC Quirepace has been a very fruitful relationship, especially for a heavy-duty job like we have with cleaning out the locomotive. We need to have something which is going to work and carry out the job every single time. And we use a vacuum cleaner to mainly clean out the smokebox and do other work, which is a bit of a tough challenge for any appliance, but it matches what we need without any issues and no faults whatsoever, so we're really happy. It was really good to get to meet the guys who came down from BVC Quirepace recently, to get to come and see what we do here at the shed here at Stewart's Lane, but also it was really nice to get some interaction face to face. So it was brilliant to get the opportunity to go through some of the challenges and some of the things that we have to go through when operating the equipment, but it was really good also to have some interaction with the guys from the company, because they get to see exactly what we deal with on a day-to-day basis here. The customer service has been second to none. Everything is very straightforward, it's clear, it's precise, the turnaround time is extremely quick, and when you're looking for a supplier, especially with what's required, it's second to none.